Red Magic 10 Pro Plus is a newly launched gaming phone, packed with features like a full-screen AMOLED display, a high-end flagship processor, a super large battery, and fast charging. Today, I'll be sharing its unboxing and detailed review to give you a closer look at this powerful device. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications so you don't miss any amazing tech videos. This is the box of the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus gaming phone. This time, the box comes in a gray color with a simple design. On the top, you'll see the phone's branding and a sharp engraved X logo. Inside the box, you get a high-speed 120-watt power adapter with a USB Type-C output, plus the power adapter and a protective case. Let's remove the plastic cover and talk about the phone's design and build. This year, the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus has a stylish new look. It comes with a surprising 7,050 mAh battery, along with 120-watt fast charging support. In the Pro variant, you get a 6,500 mAh battery with 80-watt charging. I'll be uploading a detailed review of the Red Magic 10 Pro tomorrow, so stay tuned. Unlike the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus, which had 165-watt charging, this version doesn't go that high. But the huge 750 mAh battery can even be used like a power bank, since it supports reverse charging. The phone's battery capacity has been increased, but the weight and thickness remain similar to the previous generation. It weighs 230 grams and is 8.9 millimeters thick. This time, it comes with a 120-watt nitride compact charger, which is easy to carry. Not only has the battery improved, but the look of the phone has also been upgraded. The front has extremely narrow 1.25 millimeter bezels, and the under-display camera has a hidden effect for a seamless appearance. The Red Magic 10 Pro Plus has a 6.85-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2688 by 1216 pixels. It offers a 144 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, with 640 nits for manual brightness. This 10-bit display features BOE's Blue Diamond pixel arrangement. It also has a 960 Hz global touch sampling rate and an instant 2500 Hz touch sampling rate, giving a super smooth touch experience for gaming. The phone includes DC dimming and a high-frequency 2592 Hz PWM dimming feature. The back has a blade transparent dark night color with a transparent design and a glass back. From the side, it's nearly a full-screen glass look, with a slight bulge only around the flash area. There are black bars on the back and a subtle vignette effect for style. On the top left of the battery cover, there's a blade mention in Chinese, with Red Magic branding on the right. In the lower left corner, there's a glowing Red Magic logo. At the top of the battery case, there's a fan surrounded by a brushed metal surface with the cooling system engraved on it. To the right, it has the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and the fan also features RGB lighting. In the upper area, there's a camera module, and on the right, X is printed in Roman numerals to mark the 10th generation of Red Magic phones. The 3 RGB lights on the back can be customized, adding to the gaming vibe. For placement, at the top, there's a microphone, speaker, 3.5mm headphone jack, and IR blaster. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom firing speaker. On the left side, there's an air duct. On the right side, there are 2 touch buttons with a touch sampling rate of 520 Hz, followed by an air outlet, volume rocker, power button, slider button, and microphone. These touch buttons have red and blue light strips, and the shoulder triggers are highly sensitive. When triggered, the vibration motor activates, and a beam light appears on the screen, making the FPS gaming experience truly superb. The phone also features dual X-axis linear motors, and the gaming switch can be customized for other functions. For example, you can use it to control the flashlight or switch silent mode on and off. Besides the switch, you can also access the game space through the drop-down menu. The customizable switch can also be used for the camera. Additionally, the phone has stereo speakers with solid sound output. Now, let's talk about the performance of the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus. It has the world's most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, along with the Redstar R3 chip. You get LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.0 Pro storage. For the first time in the industry, it uses a sandwich structure made from composite liquid metal with low risk and high thermal conductivity. It also features a copper foil VC vapor chamber for cooling. The phone uses an 11-layer heat dissipation structure with graphene placed under the screen. It also has a cube high-energy, low-consumption scheduling engine and an active cooling fan. For high-performance testing, I tried installing a PC emulator, but it didn't work due to the lack of new processor drivers. However, I will definitely show the results of the PC emulator test once it's ready. Meanwhile, you can see the test for regular mobile game emulators. In gaming with the highest settings at 60 FPS in complex scenes and performance mode turned on, the average frame rate stays at 60 FPS. During testing, the room temperature was 22.7 degrees Celsius. In long-run testing without the fan, the CPU temperature reached 68 degrees Celsius. The temperature in the middle frame's upper area went up to 40 degrees Celsius, while the air outlet reached 45 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature on the phone was around the air duct, reaching 45 degrees Celsius, and the screen area reached 43 degrees Celsius. After turning on the fan, the CPU temperature dropped to 64 degrees Celsius, and the air duct temperature reduced to 40 degrees Celsius. The bottom area temperature also dropped to 41 degrees Celsius, while the screen and middle frame temperatures went down to below 40 degrees Celsius. During the test, at 50% brightness, the battery usage was 6.5 watts, meaning the total battery life in this condition will be around 4 hours. In 4K online video playback, the battery consumes only 1.3 watts, so continuous play will give you about 20 hours of battery life. The phone also has a direct power option, meaning when you're gaming while charging, the power goes directly to the phone, not the battery, which helps reduce heat. In the gaming space, there are many plugins available. Now, let's look at a game test in the simulator. The phone has a PS2 emulator installed. And since the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is super strong, no customization is needed for the settings. The game God of War 2 runs very smoothly on the phone, and overall, the gaming experience is taken to the next level. The phone has a superb screen with extremely narrow bezels. However, it's a bit difficult to operate with one hand because of its large body. The phone also includes an infrared remote, so you can easily control home appliances, and it supports NFC functions. Now, talking about the camera, gaming phones usually have ordinary cameras, and this one is no different. The phone has a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a secondary 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfies, it has a 16-megapixel front camera. You can check out sample photos. Now, talking about the price of the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus, the base variant starts at 599.99 Chinese yuan in China, 654 pounds in the UK, and $828 in the USA. To conclude, the phone offers a full-screen display and an amazing gaming experience. The cooling system is also great, making it one of the best phones for gaming. However, the size is a bit large. So, what do you guys think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.